Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn about WordPress scripts package. This is a package, official package of WordPress. It helps you to build your blog assets and blog scripts easily. So you can find it in npm if you type @WordPress scripts. And this is how you can install it, or you can also see a comment here. So let's try to install it on our machine. So first of all, navigate in your local development installation, right, that you installed earlier, and navigate in plugins folder. So the path is app public WP content plugins, and just create a folder here. So I'll name my folder WP block-dev. Then you can drag this folder in your code editor and it will add it here. So from here you can open terminal, and first what you'll need is just type this npm init. So what this command does, this one will install npm, all files important for in npm, and it will create package.json file, which is responsible for installing our dependencies for our development. And in our case, we mostly will be using this dependency only. But along the way, we will be installing more and more. So after you run this npm init command, it will ask you to give some name here. You can skip this process. Just click enter, 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 enter. You can add all of this later, and then just enter again. And this, as you can see now, you have the package.json file. This installs this file, creates this file on your machine. And now you can install WordPress scripts. So you can just copy this comment from here and paste it and install it right here. So this can take some time, so I'm gonna pause this video and come back when it's done. So now our WordPress scripts package installed, we can start using it. To demonstrate it, I created a folder src in my plugin with these 3 files. I have blog.json. This is a file contains all the information about my blog, and it has fields that are specifying where these scripts will be located, where it will be compiled. And then index.js, which imports our style. So a WordPress package, WordPress scripts package, should look for src folder and automatically detect these files and compile them into the build folder. But before that, we need to add scripts, and you can find them in npm in the official WordPress scripts repository. Here you can see list of scripts. You can copy all of this if you want. So I'm just gonna copy this and paste them right here in my scripts, right? And save my package.json and try to run it. So in my terminal, I will type npm start. And so here, as you can see, that when you type npm start, it will run wp scripts command. So let's see how it works. So as you can see, we now have all the scripts processed by our WordPress scripts. And if you go in your plugin, you can see you have a build folder right now with all the files already compiled. So we have our block.json, we have index asset.php. Later we'll talk about this file about dependencies and version. Index.js compiled right here, and then our style, which was style.css, SCSS compiled into style index.css. So that's how WordPress scripts package works. The way it works when we run npm start now, this command is running, it will automatically track any changes to your file. So if I do some change here and I type something right here and save it, it will compile it again. So here I'm getting error, but if I type something like console log, yeah, as you can see, it's compiling, right? So it's in the watching mode. So every time I do changes, it will compile into this folder. When I'm done with my plugin, I can run build command to build all the files. So let's stop this first. We'll press Ctrl C to stop, and then I will run npm run build. What this command does is that it will build your files, like minify them, concatenate, and prepare them for submission, right? So your plugin will be ready to use. So let's try to run this command and let's see what will happen. By the way, under the hood, this package is using Webpack. So you don't have to worry about setting up Webpack because it's automatically doing it for you. So here my build process finished, Webpack finished building process, and you can see all my files are compiled, and now I have nicely bundled files that are minified and clean, all minified, as you can see here. So that's how this tool works. You can also use linting and other commands here like plugin zip, but in my experience I haven't used this, but if you wish you can use these other commands as well. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next lesson.